pag sa hospital ka nagtatrabaho, tapos makakaano ka ng ganito. Grabing ka ba? Lalo na, nakita nyo ba yung sa, yung sa hospital dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, yung bigla nagbukas yung pinto nung nung hospital, tapos kinausap nung guard. Mamaya panoorin natin yun. Pero ito muna, dito muna tayo.
Occur while being there. The following footage is their video.
Para ayaw ko na ituloy, putik. Kinakabahan ako. Dilim ng likod natin, guys, oh. Nakakabahan ako eh. Iyalan natin yung sounds. Yan, oh. Nakakabahan.
You guys. Haunted ER? We're gonna go. Haunted ER, haunted ER. I'm really good too. Oh my god, my head is huge. Chloe, so I can't even.
Tuwan-tuwa pa sila pag no? Nag-video-video pa sila eh, no?
Huh?
I was just close to the camera.
Yeah, you're right, you're right. We got a chance for the haunted.
Nakakatakot yung mga nito mo
Yeah.
yung naka-blue.
Oh god.
Feels like
I'm not excited about this. I didn't even get a finish shoot my sandwich.
it feels like we're getting on a. You nervous? Why are you nervous?
Kinakabahan din siya, kinakabahan din ako.
Are you nervous?
Yes.
You see anything?
Ayun, pinas-forward nila. Tino,
Oh.
parang may tao talaga, guys. Legit ito. Parang may nakaupo. Yun, oh. Yun, oh. Kita nyo? Parang may nakaupo din sa migili sa may ilalim ng ng lamesa ba to? Oo, lamesa.
Yeah, it's just a little doll. They want us training.
Yun, oh.
Oh, it's a train down here.
Put it here.
It's still weird though.
Yeah, look at her.
That's so weird.
Ano yun? Ano yun? Magulat manika lang. Pero grabe yung kawa dun pare. Tanggal puso.
Upstairs. It's way upstairs. Yeah, it's upstairs. Sorry, I thought you were. I felt you like were.
You know? Di ko alam kung nilagay lang yun or sadyang nandoon yun. Kasi no? Pero nakakaba.
You guys wave in the camera right now. Reflection.
Bibiruan pa sila.
They like see me.
Kaya sila nagbibideo-video para maano nila yung kung magkakaroon sila ng syempre yung cut on cam talaga. Eh, syempre, sa hospital guys, alam naman natin marami talagang binabawian ng buhay dyan, di ba? Kaya maraming mga
Go ahead.
Go on.
hindi natin nakikita
Go
dyan.
ahead and figure out what the lights are. I don't like that. I don't like that.
Ipapasukin nila.
Do
They
it.
look like evil eyes. You guys need to come in with me.
Yeah, of course we're gonna go in with you.
Thanks. Ooh, this feels weird. Is that you? Yeah. This room feels weird. Ooh.
Grabe ang baba. Ang dilim oh. Password
It
natin.
moved. It moved. It moved.
Yun.
Oh! Oh! The curtain moved. Yeah.
Yun. Wait lang. Mas forward ko kasi.
Oh!
Wait lang, ito siya ba?
Oh! 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 The curtain moved. Yeah, it did. It moved. It moved. It moved. Yes, it did. It did. How did you not see that?
Ayun, oh.
Oh, okay. Oh!
Takbo. Takbo pa rin. Takbo pa rin.
As one
Grabe yun guys. Nakita nyo yun yung pagtumba ng pagtumba ng Kailan balik natin
It moved. It moved. It moved. Yes, it
Ayun, oh.
did.
Ito, tignan nyo to.
How did you not see that?
Ayun, oh.
Oh, okay.
Nakita nyo yun? Dito, di natin alam kung totoo tong video na to. Pero nasa hospital kasi to guys. Kaya di natin masabi. Pero wala naman tao dun eh. Silang tatlo lang ang nagbibideo. Baka pasyente yun. Baka pasyente. Na nandun doon, sinipa yung yung sinipa yung para matumba lang, di ba? Yung kaba natin, tawanan natin. Yun, proceed tayo sa iba. Sila.
Hospital curtain suddenly moves on its own. The nurse, terrified beyond belief, bolts out of the room at full speed, feeling completely unsettled. But then, within seconds of this happening, a cane mysteriously falls on its own.
Posibleng may hangin dun, di ba? Posibleng may hangin dun na kayang itumba yun. 4 yung paanon or 3 yung paanon na hindi basta-basta
Now, the
matutumba
following
yun.
clip, which was captured by another nurse, shows the same exact incident, but from a different point of view. Take a look.
What? What? No, it didn't.
Ito POV ng babae
No,
to.
it didn't.
Ito yung
Why
POV
would a
ng
curtain
babae.
move?
How did you not see that?
The nurses in this video believe that this may have been the ghost of a child who recently passed away in that same room. But, as with most occurrences on this floor, they also think that it could have been another
Yun,
spirit.
ito kasi akala
Whether
mo,
ghost or not, the nurses in this
Grabe yun, guys. Kaba yung nun. Kaba yung dala nun, ah. Ha! Woo! Nakakaba rin pala manood ng mga ganitong mga nakakatakot. Ito mga ganitong content. I-follow nyo na yung ating mga social medias, no? Yung ating TikTok, ating YouTube, yung ating Facebook, guys. I-follow nyo na yan para magtuloy-tuloy pa tayo sa dito sa paggawa ng ganitong mga video, guys. Kaya yan, please like and follow, guys, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Ayan, Boss Harry natin dyan. Boss Harry.